In the spring of 2021, UCSC faculty researcher Peter Weiss-Penzias and 3 undergraduate students received a small grant from the UCSC Carbon Fund to build a prototype large fog collector. The idea of a large fog collector arose from the increasing need for sustainable water sources in the changing Californian climate. We wanted to assess the viability of fog collectors as a secondary source of water for agriculture, beginning at the UCSC Center for Agroecology farm. A large fog collector prototype was built with low cost in mind, in order to be a viable option for those in need of water. However, the research side of the project is a much greater investment. Money from Giving Day will help provide for the equipment used to track and monitor fog collection in the field. These goals caught the attention of the Santa Cruz Sentinel, NBC, the City of Pacifica, and the New York Times. We hope we can look into the future of sustainability like we are and bring much needed stability to our climate's changing future.